In front of me is cat B35 and today I would like to show you how you can add photo to text message. Begin by launching menu and going into Messages app. Then select one of your chats or create a new one. Access this SMS section here and tap on Options. Now select Add Attachment and click Camera or Gallery. Take or select a photo and to add it, click Done. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!